Hey everyone, Odie here from Crafty Island Diaries, and today I'm unboxing and reviewing a bunch of art supplies I got from Temu. The real question is, what did we get in this €100 art supply challenge? Let's find out. You can see a package inside the package here. I don't know why some are outside, but this is a sticker. Coffee color of 6 packs quotes sticker. This one is a multifunctional folding geometric drawing ruler. I bought this multifunctional ruler back in 2024, and as of 2026 I still have it. However, I have to admit that I haven't really used it much. The concept is interesting. It's designed to be versatile and compact, which could be useful for students, designers, or anyone who frequently works with measurements and shapes. In practice, though it didn't become a tool I reach for often, part of the issue for me was the overall feel and usability. It just didn't fit naturally into my workflow. Also, I didn't like the sticker, which made it less appealing to use. Because of that, I eventually decided to give it away. Overall, it might be a good option for someone who specifically needs a multifunctional ruler and likes the folding design, but for casual use, it may end up sitting unused like it did for me. As you see, they just show everything. Next, we have brush pens for different seasons, which I will be testing them more properly soon, so I can give a full honest review on how they really hold up over time. Next, we have these 3 pieces of silicone hot glue gun finger caps. A rechargeable glue gun. And at this point, I can't comment on how well it performs since I haven't tested it yet, but I'm hoping it will come in handy when I finally start using it. So far, I'm glad to have it ready for future projects. Next, we have the paper cutter. It's for example, you just slide it down. I think I make it wrong. So let's do it again. You have to press and slide to cut the paper successfully. So there it is. Let's do it one more time. And you can also do it like this in 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, up until 180 degrees. Let's try it with a thicker paper and press that. Ta-da! It's working good. I've been using this multi-purpose paper cutter with a straight ruler and measuring guide, and overall I really liked it. It cuts very cleanly, which made it great for precise work, and it's also quite handy and easy to use. However, it didn't hold up as much over time. When I started using it more frequently, especially with thicker materials like watercolor paper, it didn't survive for long. So while it performs really well at first, durability can be an issue if you plan to use it often or on heavier paper. Overall, it's a good tool for light to moderate use, but maybe not the best choice for heavy-duty cutting. Oh, this is so cute! Another one is a very cute thing. Oh la la! Clip it this way. Next is a different colors of ribbons. I am trying to put this in a bookmark or something, but it looks so thick and big and wide. I picked the wrong size. Next is this board. It's too small, yeah. This one is another sticker for journaling. This another sticker, another sticker. This is another sticker. So this is all different set of stickers that I have. This is like a more in the jars sticker, like a character within the jar. This one is flowers, plants, another plants. I did not even know that I bought 2 sets of this. I just saw now. This one is, let's check it out. Flowers. And this one is another jar characters. Mix. And this is 2 different sets. Good times. And daily coats. That's it for today's quick look at the stickers. I'll be testing them more properly so I can give you a full honest review on how they really hold up over time. So full sticker review is coming up in my next video, so stay tuned. Next, this is very small. I didn't expect that. This is very small. You know what is this for? This single hole puncher is super cute and works really well. It's simple, effective, and does exactly what it's supposed to do without any issue. Great for everyday use, especially if you just need something small and reliable. Perfecto! Very easy. Then put it in the box if you want it to be back in the box. I am planning to resize all my watercolor paper into smaller version because they are too big for me to. This, for example, these ones, you just need to slide. You see this lock here and down here also. So you just need to slide like this. Another down here also slide like, and ta-da! Then you put your paper here, for example. Oh, so this is what I have now. I made 2 of them. I have this. This is from a watercolor paper that I resize and use the clips. Mainly, I like them because they look really cute. At first, I had a bit of mishap the first time I tried using them. It felt like they won't hold at all, which was disappointing. However, after giving them another try and handling them more carefully, they turned out to be quite durable. As long as you take a bit of care when opening and closing them, they hold up well. I was even able to use them to bind around 20 sheets of 300 GSM paper, including the front and the back covers, which is pretty impressive. Overall, they're a really nice combination of aesthetic and functionality, just with a slight learning curve at the beginning. This is pinzas. This is like for a sticker remover. For example, I open this one and then I'll take this. I tried using these tweezers to remove sticker backing like shown in some videos, but in my experience it was actually much faster to do it by hand. It felt like the tweezers slowed me down instead of making things easier. That said, it's possible I was not using them the right way. They might work better with a different technique or for more precise tasks. As I recently realized that I actually took these tweezers for lashes instead of arts and crafts, which probably explains a lot about my experience using them for stickers and other craft work. They might just be better suited for beauty use rather than DIY or paper related tasks. So that mismatch could be why they didn't feel very effective for what I was trying to do. Next, we have this sharpener. This sharpener works well and stays very sharp. It has 4 different holes which make it super useful for different pencil sizes, so I don't have to switch tools.
Oh! And this is the result.
For the third one, this is another, and for the last one, I'm giving this 4 out of 5.
I don't really know what it is. It's a little knife and safe because it doesn't open fast.
This cutter didn't even last an hour of use before the spring broke, which was really disappointing. It stopped working properly almost immediately and couldn't handle normal use. The durability is very poor, so I'm giving this 1 out of 5. These sketch gloves are really helpful for pen and paper work, especially when I don't want to smudge or dirty my artwork. So I'm giving them 4 out of 5. I bought this in 2024. Again, I bought this in 2024, and as of the present moment, I am still using
It's easy
them.
to put on. It's easy to just grab your fingers and you take it off. Yeah. One more thing, the last one, guys. I'm opening it with a little knife.
That's everything for today's video. Some items were really cute and useful, others not so much, but that's part of the experience. If you want to see more honest reviews, tests, and creative projects, make sure to subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.